ready to unlock your true potential and attract unlimited abundance into your life. Welcome and thank you for joining me in this episode of Money Mindset. This episode is a guided hypnosis session designed to help you reprogram limiting money beliefs and install new, empowering beliefs that support abundance and prosperity in your life. Before we begin, make sure you're in a comfortable space that you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down and let your body relax completely. As we journey together, you will allow your subconscious mind to embrace new positive beliefs about money and abundance. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself letting go of any tension or stress. Now, let your eyes gently close, and with each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed, more at ease. Imagine that with every inhale, you're breathing in calmness and peace. And as you exhale, you're releasing any worries, any doubts, any old beliefs that no longer serve you. Picture yourself in a beautiful natural setting. You're standing in a lush green meadow surrounded by vibrant wildflowers, with the sun warming your skin and a gentle breeze brushing against your face. The air smells fresh and pure. You can feel the earth beneath your feet, solid and grounding, supporting you in this peaceful moment. As you take another deep breath, you will notice in distance a majestic white horse approaching. This horse represents your inner strength, freedom, and abundance. It moves gracefully towards you, its mane flowing in the breeze. You feel an immediate connection, a sense of peace and power radiating from this beautiful creature. Now the horse stops in front of you. It stands tall and strong, looking directly into your eyes with calm assurance. You can sense the horse's wisdom, and as you look into its eyes, you will feel a deep knowing. You are capable of experiencing limitless abundance in your life. As you stand next to the horse, allow it to share its energy with you. With each breath you take, feel its powerful energy flowing into your body, filling you with a sense of peace, strength, and abundance. With each inhale, you're drawing in a new belief. I'm worthy of abundance. Money flows easily and effortlessly to me. With each exhale, you release any old beliefs that have held you back. Let go of the idea that money is hard to come by. Let go of the fear or doubt that you are not worthy. As you exhale, feel these limiting beliefs dissolving like smoke in the wind, leaving you lighter and more open to receiving. Now imagine a soft golden light surrounding you, the white horse, and the entire meadow. This light is the energy of abundance. It is energy of prosperity, and it is now flowing through you, filling every part of your being. Feel it moving from the top of your head, down through your shoulders, your arms, your chest, and all the way down to your feet. Every cell in your body is being infused with this energy. As this golden light surrounds you, affirm to yourself, silently or out loud, these new empowering beliefs. I'm worthy of unlimited abundance. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I'm open to receiving all the good that life has to offer. I attract opportunities, success, and prosperity. Let these words sink deep into your subconscious mind. As your body and energy align with these truths, every time you think about money, you will remember this golden light, this feeling of abundance, and you will automatically connect to the flow of wealth and prosperity. The white horse beside you is a powerful symbol of your new relationship with money. Its steady, graceful movements remind you that abundance is natural and constant, just as the horse moves effortlessly through the meadow. It never doubts its path, and neither will you. You know that the flow of money and opportunities will come to you easily as long as you stay aligned with your true worth and open to receiving. Now let's deepen the feeling of this abundance as you take a moment to truly visualize yourself living a life of prosperity. See yourself living in a beautiful home, feeling peaceful and secure, doing work that you love, and enjoying the financial freedom to experience the things that bring you joy. Feel the deep satisfaction of knowing that your financial situation is exactly as it should be, abundant, flowing, and aligned with your purpose. You deserve this. It's your natural state. And with each breath, this reality is becoming more and more clear to you. In this moment, with the horse standing by your side, you are fully connected to the truth of your abundance. This truth is anchored deeply within you, and no matter what happens in the world around you, you know that abundance is always available to you. The flow of money, success, and opportunities is natural, just like the horse's movements across the meadow. Take one final deep breath in, feeling the golden light of abundance filling every part of you. And as you exhale, let go of any last remnants of doubts or limitations. Feel completely at peace with your new beliefs. Now, as we begin to return from this peaceful, empowering place, take a moment to appreciate how far you have come today. The white horse will always be with you, a reminder of your inner strength and connection to limitless abundance. You can return to this feeling of peace and prosperity whenever you need. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wriggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body fully relaxed, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. You're grounded, empowered, and filled with the knowledge that abundance is always within your reach. You've installed these new empowering beliefs, and they will continue to grow and expand within you, supporting your prosperity. Thank you for joining me today, and know that the flow of abundance is yours, and you're worthy of all wealth, success, and happiness life has to offer. If you would like to make a bespoke hypnosis suited for you, please email me for a free session. To find out how I can help you, my email address is mentioned below. Remember to take this calm and empowering feeling with you as you move through your day. Our next episode will drop tomorrow, which is a meditation on future self wealth embodiment, which is all about meeting your abundant self and embodying her confidence, trust, and worth. Until tomorrow, take care and continue to allow your abundance to flow freely.